Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Glenda C. De la Cruz, 41 years old, and I'm married. I have 3 sons, ages 19, 16, and 12. My first work experience is in Saudi Arabia. I start November 17, 2017, and I finish April 10, 2020. They have 4 members of the family: my madam, my sir, and 2 baby. The age of my madam is 37, the age of my sir is 42, and the age of the baby is 6 and 4. My second work experience is in United Arab Emirates. I start January 10, 2021, and I finish October 24, 2023. They have 4 members of the family: my madam, my sir, and 2 baby. The age of my madam is 27. The age of my sir is 42. The age of the baby is 4 years old and newborn. My duties and responsibilities is take care the baby, take care the children, cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and sometimes I wash the car. I want to work in Hong Kong because of the high salary, and I want also to give the best future of my 3 sons. Dear mom and sir, I hope you will hire me. Thank you very much.